Welcome to TechVibe. The king of APS-C is back, and this time it is not playing fair. For years Canon users have been begging for a baby or three, a crop sensor beast that doesn't just keep up with full-frame flagships but actually beats them at their own game. The wait is finally over. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II has arrived, and the specifications are not just an upgrade, they are a total reset of the industry. We are talking about a sensor that defies physics, video capabilities that belong on a cinema set, and an autofocus system that feels like it is reading your mind. If you were thinking about buying a camera this year, you need to stop everything and listen closely. We are breaking down why this camera is about to make the full-frame market look very nervous. The original R7 was a massive hit, but let's be honest, it had its flaws. The rolling shutter made electronic shooting a nightmare for birders, and the viewfinder often felt like stepping back in time. Canon heard the noise, and the R7 Mark II is the direct response to every single complaint. Let's start with the heart of the machine, which is the sensor. Canon has developed an all-new 39-megapixel BSI sensor. But here is the part that changes everything. This is a stacked design. A stacked sensor means a readout speed so fast that rolling shutter basically disappears. You will be able to shoot birds in flight or high-speed sports using the electronic shutter at 40 frames per second without those weird, warped wings or distorted backgrounds. This puts the R7 Mark II in a league populated only by top-tier professional flagships. To handle that much data, Canon is bringing the DIGIC Accelerator chip down from its professional line. This isn't just a faster processor, it's an AI-driven brain. Imagine an autofocus system that doesn't just track an eye, but predicts where a subject will be based on its movement patterns. Whether it's a player sprinting through a crowd or a hawk diving at high speed, the R7 Mark II is designed to have a perfect hit rate. The body is also where things get interesting. The Mark II is moving upmarket with a chassis that looks much more like the high-end R6 or R5 series. It's larger, more robust, and built to handle professional abuse. We are finally getting the ergonomics that professional wildlife photographers have been demanding, including a dedicated AF joystick, a more comfortable grip for long lenses, and pro-grade weather sealing. For the hybrid shooters and creators, this is where the R7 Mark II becomes a mini R5. We are looking at 8K video capabilities. While some might say 8K is overkill, what it really means is that your oversampled 4K is going to be the sharpest, cleanest footage you've ever seen from a crop sensor. Throw in 4K at 120 frames per second with no crop, and you have a slow-motion beast that fits in a backpack. Canon is also including the high-capacity battery units found in their flagship models, giving you the power to record for longer without the dreaded overheating shutdown. There is one more hardware feature that is going to make professionals very happy, and that is the card slots. Gone is the reliance on just dual SD cards. We now have a CF Express Type B and SD card combo. This is a clear signal that this camera is for people who need to clear buffers instantly and record high bitrate video without any bottlenecks. All this technology sounds like it should cost a fortune, and while the R7 Mark II is shifting into a higher price bracket, it remains an incredible value. It is no longer just a budget sports camera, it is a professional tool. When you compare it to the thousands of dollars more you would pay for a full-frame equivalent with these speeds, the value proposition is undeniable. The paper trail shows that this release is perfectly timed for the upcoming season. We are mere weeks away from seeing the most powerful APS-C camera ever made. But before you sell your current gear, you have to ask if the R7 Mark II makes the original model obsolete. The answer is that they now occupy different worlds. While the Mark II is the professional choice for speed and high-resolution video, the original stays as a budget king. But if you need the speed, the 8K, and the reliability of a stacked sensor, the Mark II is the only choice. This machine is built for the US market and global professionals who demand excellence. It bridges the gap between enthusiast ear and elite cinema tools. Think about the implications for your workflow. No more waiting for buffers to clear while the action is happening in front of you. No more missed focus because a branch got in the way of a bird's eye. The AI integration ensures that the camera learns the subjects you shoot most often. This level of automation allows you to focus on composition and storytelling rather than fighting with settings. The shift to a 39-megapixel sensor also provides the perfect balance. It gives you enough resolution to crop in significantly, which is the main advantage of the APS-C system, without sacrificing low-light performance. Usually, when you cram more pixels onto a small sensor, noise becomes an issue. However, the back-illuminated architecture of this new sensor ensures that your low-light shots stay clean even at higher ISO levels. This makes it a formidable tool for indoor sports and dawn or dusk wildlife photography. Furthermore, the integration with the RF lens mount ecosystem has never been stronger. With the R7 Mark II, you can utilize the world-class L-series glass with a 1.6 times crop factor, effectively turning a 400mm lens into a 640mm powerhouse. This is why the global photography community is shifting toward these high-end crop sensors. You get more reach, more speed, and now, with the Mark II, more professional reliability than ever before. As we look toward the future of digital imaging, it's clear that Canon is not holding back. They are daring the competition to catch up. The inclusion of professional-grade cooling and internal recording formats like Cinema Raw Light means this isn't just a camera for taking pictures of your backyard, it's a camera for producing Netflix-quality content. The interface has also been refreshed to be more intuitive for touchscreen users while maintaining the tactile feedback that old-school photographers love. The integration of the new high-speed shutter system provides a mechanical life rated for hundreds of thousands of actuations, ensuring this investment lasts for years of professional use. This durability, combined with the groundbreaking sensor technology, truly cements the Canon EOS R7 Mark II as a legendary tool for the modern creator. It offers a unique combination of high-speed performance and high-resolution imaging that was previously restricted to cameras costing twice as much. For the nature photographer deep in the woods or the filmmaker on a tight schedule, these reliability improvements are just as important as the frame rate. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is the pinnacle of what a crop sensor camera can be. It destroys the myth that you need a full-frame sensor to be a professional. With its stacked sensor, 8K video, and industry-leading autofocus, it is ready to take the top spot in your camera bag. This has been TechVibe, your home for the most authentic and deep-depth tech coverage on the internet. We want to hear from you in the comments section. Is this the camera that finally makes you switch from full frame, or are you waiting to see what the competition does next? Every like and subscription helps us bring you more of this high-level analysis, so make sure to join the community. We will be tracking every update and firmware release for this beast, so keep your notifications on. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next revolution in tech.